has been anything but a partisan hack. Si Rodante Marcoleta ay isang neophyte senator na isa ring malaking ally ng mga Dutertes, even defending her noong merong confidential fund debacle.
Paano member i-steerman ang tinatanong kung bira naman na member ang sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why will the members answer that?
They don't have the authority to speak.
Ano naman yung pinagsasabi mo?
Why the chairman?
You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all. Because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino?
Now, he's vindictive, not one to shy away from the spotlight and what have you.
Sinong agency ng government ang nag-empower sa ating mga kababayan para malaman nilang complications ng West Philippine Sea? Isipin po natin, sir, there is nothing as West Philippine Sea. Wala po yun. That is a creation by us. Sa totoo lang po, kahit nabasahin mo yung ating mapa or what, there is no West Philippine Sea. Ang West Philippine Sea, yun po yung area na kiniklaim natin, ito yung exclusive economic zone. The complications of the West Philippine Sea has not been explained to our people. Kaya po, nagiging vulnerable tayong lahat eh.